Welcome to Take a Leaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to measure the speed of your SSD or HDD in your Windows laptop or desktop computer. Then just go to your browser and on Google search for Crystal Disk Mar Guru 3D. Go to the first link. Select the server you want to download from. I'm going to download from EU server, so I'm going to click on this. Click where you want to save the file and click on save. Then just open the file location. Right click on it. Click on extract all. Click on extract. Wait for it to be extracted. After that, just open the folder. From here, you can either open the 32-bit of the software or the 64-bit of the software. My operating system is 64-bit, so I'm going to open the 64-bit one. Just double click on it. Click on yes. From here, you need to select your SSD. My SSD is the E drive. I'm going to select this. I'm going to set the test count to 1. I'm going to set the test size to 1 GB. Then I'm going to hit all. And the test will start. Just wait for it to give you the results. And this is the speed test for your SSD. Now for your HDD, just select the drive, which is your hard disk. In my case, it is local disk D. I'm going to select this. I'm just going to keep all the other settings the same and then click on all. And just wait, it will measure the speed of your HDD as well. And these are the speed results for your HDD. And that is how to measure the speed of your SSD or HDD in your Windows laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.